If knives make you nervous, or your knife cuts always end up different sizes, this is where you start. In a few minutes, you'll have a handful of simple habits that make knife work feel safer and make you feel more in control in your own kitchen. I'm Nathan, a personal chef here in New Hampshire, and this is the kickoff to my Knife Confidence series. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a set of practical tips and small adjustments you can use right away. After this, you'll find step-by-step tutorials that will walk you through specific precision and production cuts, so you can build a solid foundation for your knife skills one lesson at a time. First, use a sharp knife wherever you can. A dull blade slips and skids, a sharp one bites where you want it to and lets you use less force. Second, aim to cut with the middle of the blade, not just the tip or the heel. That middle section is the sweet spot. You'll feel more in control there, and your cuts will be smoother. Third, line your cuts up to the middle of the ingredient, not the very end. If you always aim for the very edge, one side will end up way bigger than the other. Shooting for the middle keeps both sides closer in size. Next, let the knife do the work, don't force it. If you feel like you're muscling through the cut, you'll notice a huge difference by adding a push or a pull motion. Always work with a flat side on the board so things don't roll. If your onion or your potato is wobbling, stop and make a new flat surface before you keep going. Make the ingredient work for you. The moment the onion or potato feels hard or unsafe to slice, turn it. Rotate it so you're always cutting in the direction that feels steady and under control. For precision cuts, stick to one layer at a time, 2 at the most. When you stack too many layers, they slide around on you and your accuracy disappears. Look at your cuts from different angles, not just from the top. Check the profile as well as the silhouette. When you're cutting sticks, roll them 90 degrees a few times and study each side. You'll start to see which faces are uneven, and you can adjust your cuts to get closer to perfectly squared pieces. Remember, if you can cut even slabs, you can cut even sticks, and then even dice. Slabs first, then sticks, then cubes. It's the same pattern every time. When you're starting out, keep the skin on your potatoes. It gives you a clear visual line to check how straight and even your cuts are. Use simple guides for size. A ruler, a pencil for about 1/4 of an inch, a matchstick or the back of a chef's knife for thinner cuts, and your pinky or your fingertip for around 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Keep 1 or 2 of these nearby as you practice. Potatoes are the best ingredient for practicing precision cuts. Onions are the best for practicing production cuts when you need to move faster. Once you feel solid with those, move to harder shapes like carrots or celery. They bend and curve as you slice them, which makes clean, precise cuts a lot tougher. The extra challenge is what really levels up your control. If you want to skip 10 years of trial and error and get a simple guide with clear explanations, easy practice drills, and quick reference size charts, grab the Home Cook's Knife Confidence Guide. The best part is, it's free. Just drop your email so I know where to send it. The link is right below this video. When you click, you'll see a simple form. Fill it out, hit submit, and I'll email the guide to you in the next few minutes.